I say right here, it's our foam roller. What this will do for you is basically what I like to call the poor man's massage right here. So this is good to use before and after workouts. Breaks up any scar tissue, anything like that. And after your workout, when you're really tight, it breaks all that stuff up. So you want to hit this every time before sessions and every time after sessions as well. It's key. So I'm gonna show you how to walk through. I like to start with my calves. I just do the whole back side of the body first. So I run through the calves. You can put both calves on there. You can put one either way, right there. Turn those feet out. Turn them in, right there, roll it back, get all parts of the calves. Throughout this whole foam rolling process, if you're doing anything, you feel any tight, sit on it, rest, kind of move, count it out, breathe, try to get it to release, right? So after that, I move up to my hamstrings. Same thing. You can do one, you can do two. So just rock that back and forth, get the hammies, get that side. We'll roll and we'll get this side. So that's the hamstring right there. After that, I'll rock up to my glutes. Okay, on my glutes, I'll hit that. I'll lean to the side. All right, I'll lean the other way. If you want to get a little more pressure on there, you can cross that leg over. Do it right there. All right. So after we hit the glutes, after I get my lower back, I'll move up to my upper back right here. I like to move my hair out the way. All right, cross my arms over so I can open that back up, and now I'll just rock to the side, forward and back, and get all the upper back into those traps as well. So get all the elbows to the neck right there. And that is it. I'll flip it over on my stomach. Flip it on my stomach. I'm gonna start with the lower half of the body here. You can hit the shins right here. I don't do that too much, but you can hit the shins right there. Roll it back and forth, okay? From there, you can do one at a time, or you can get both. This is the one that you want to get 3 parts. So I'll get my quad right directly in the middle. All right, make sure you get both sides. I'm just gonna show you one. After I get my quad right directly in the middle, I like to get on the inside. So get the adductor all the way up into the hip. Get that groin inside right there. All right, that's another one. And then after that, we can turn on the outside right here, cross that, put that leg down, cross that leg over, and just roll that back and forth. Get that IT band, right? So like that. Some people like to hit their shoulders. So if you want to get the shoulders out, you can just go right here, turn it sideways, throw your shoulder on there, ride that forward and back. All right, it's a little awkward, but it does feel good, and you will feel that if you had a good upper body day. So you can rock and get those shoulders right there. And one more, that's the lats. So just rock it forward and back right there. Get the lats right there. Feel that real good. So that is how we'll foam roll. Want to hit this every time before and definitely after as well.